Waffle time. Top Shelf 2018 Sexy Bird Up for Waffle Rainbow Stamp. Thank you everyone so much for the quick fill. Really appreciate it. Hope you're having a great weekend. It's 1 through 27 to get a winner. Thank you again for joining in. Let's do it. Good luck. It's 9/28. Here's proof. There's PayPal. Got Venmo. And GPay. Let's hit it, Brandon. It's 1 through 27. We got a secure lock and a valid certificate. All set and ready to go. Good luck. This is a big one. Beautiful 2018 Sexy Bird. Big winner's gonna be 21. Blackjack, 21 winner. Woohoo! Congrats. We got a winner statement. I'm gonna miss this one. 9/29. It's 21 blackjack. 21 blackjack. Casey Lappin. Congratulations, Casey, with the win. Huge win. Congrats, man. Thank you again, everyone. Really appreciate it. Have a great holiday weekend. 9/29, just switched over 9:30. Have a good one.